Types of forces. Force is a push or pull of an object. It is a physical quantity that either produces or prevents the motion of an object. It could also change the shape, volume, and state of an object. You encounter forces in your everyday life. From weighing ingredients for baking, pushing a table, and hanging a pail using a rope. From our home to school, as well as do simple activities like walking, jumping, and running. They are also present in carrying our books, going up and down the stairs, and operating simple office and classroom machines like an air conditioning unit, photocopying machine, and an LCD projector. They allow us to make our lives easier. Force is the influence that one body exerts to another to change the object's state of motion. It is a physical quantity that either produces or prevents the motion of an object. It could also change the shape, volume, and state of an object. There are different forces around us. What are the different kinds of force? The 4 fundamental forces. Physicists recognize 4 different fundamental forces in the universe. These are electromagnetic force, gravitational force, strong force, and weak force. Electromagnetic force is a force exerted between electrically charged particles. It is composed of 2 forces, electric force, and magnetic force. The electric force is the force that is being exerted by charged particles to each other. Magnetic force is the force exerted by a moving charged particle to another moving charged particle or to a magnetic object. The electromagnetic force causes electric and magnetic forces on an object. It can be attractive or repulsive. Gravitational force is a force exerted by an object with mass to another object with mass. It is also called gravity. As an attractive force, it tends to pull objects towards each other. Strong nuclear force is a force that holds protons and neutrons of the atom together. It occurs on a very short distance in the nucleus of the atom but is a very strong force. Weak nuclear force is a force responsible for radioactive decay. Radioactive decay is the process by which a heavy atom is transformed into lighter atoms. In this process, the heavy atom loses energy. Among the 4 fundamental forces, strong nuclear force is the strongest. It is followed by electromagnetic force and weak nuclear force. Gravitational force is the weakest fundamental force. The forces that we encounter in our everyday life are mostly forms of electromagnetic force or gravitational force operating at a macroscopic level. Strong nuclear and weak nuclear forces operate mainly on the subatomic level.